In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and apply custom fonts in Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the site you want to edit. Head to your design controls. Depending on your version of Squarespace, this is usually found under design, then fonts, or within site styles where fonts and typography settings live. The goal is to get to the area where you manage all your type choices for headings, paragraphs, and other text elements. Next, look for the section that mentions custom fonts. It might be labeled custom fonts, manage custom files, or upload. This is where you'll bring your own font files into Squarespace. Before you upload, make sure you have the proper licensing to use the font on the web and gather the files you'll need. Common formats include OTF, TTF, and WEOF or WOF2. If your font family has multiple weights like regular, medium, and bold, upload each file so you can use them consistently across your site. Upload the font files you want to use. Give them clear names as you add them so you can recognize which weight is which. Once uploaded, you'll see them appear in your font list alongside the built-in options. Now assign your custom font to the text styles you want. Open your typography or text style settings and choose your new font for headings, paragraphs, buttons, or any specific style you're customizing. Match the correct weights where possible. For example, set regular for body text and bold or semi-bold for headings. This helps keep your design readable and consistent. With the styles applied, review how the font looks across your site. Click through multiple pages, check different sections, and pay attention to contrast, spacing, and readability. Test on desktop and mobile previews to make sure the font scales well and remains clear at smaller sizes. If anything looks off, adjust the typography settings. Tweak font size, line height, and letter spacing to improve balance and legibility. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially for long paragraphs and big headline blocks. When you're satisfied, save your changes and use the preview to see the final result in context. Do a final pass on key pages like your homepage, product or portfolio pages, and contact page to confirm everything feels cohesive. That's it. Your custom fonts are now uploaded, assigned, and styled to elevate your site's visual identity.